Using Prospect to report your absence. Before you start, you should make sure that you have added your college Google account to your phone. How to do that is covered in another video. For Coleg Sir Gar, click on the link or scan the QR code. For Coleg Ceredigion, click on the link or scan this QR code. Tap Click here to log in with your college Google account. Select your college Google account. Select one date or multiple dates, then tap Next. If you select Absent for part of the day, you must select the absence times. After you select an absence reason, you can then upload evidence if you have it. Once you are ready, submit your absence. A summary of your absence is displayed along with your current attendance levels.